Hey guys, welcome back to KB's Rush Survival. Today we're on another road trip for another tractor. We just crossed into Idaho from Utah. We still got a little over 2 hours to go and about 160 miles left before we get there. So hopefully we'll make it there with no issues and see if we can get it loaded and head back home before it gets dark. So stay tuned. Okay, so we don't know a whole lot about this tractor. From what I was told, it ran 5 years ago. That's really all we know. The guy says it turns over, but I guess we'll see. So I won't tell you what it is until we get there, and hopefully it's not in absolute terrible shape. I've only seen pictures, so I guess we'll see. So we still got 2 hours to go. It's been a long drive, so we'll try to get through the best that we can on this nice freeway. So stick around, you're not going to want to miss it. We're about 5 minutes out now from where we're going here in Idaho, so hopefully we don't get lost in that amount of time, but you never know. This is going to be a scorcher today, 94 degrees up here, and we're in the mountains. It's not fun, and I didn't bring hornet spray. Good thing we got Sammy, he can eat them. Alright guys, this is what we've got. We've got a John Deere 70 diesel. It's been sitting for about 5 years. They said it turns over, so we're just going to try and get it loaded quick and get on the road, and then we'll find out when we get home.